Welcome to the shop where I just picked up a new light bar for my RZR XP1000. And for my light bar, I went to Quadboss. I picked up one of their 32-inch high LUX light bars. This has a 72 watt draw. If you take 72 watts, you divide that by 12 volts, you're looking at about 6 amps, which is very little load for as much light as it's going to put out. And it puts out 6,480 lumens. This is 100% waterproof. It's 100% sealed. I went to Seizmik. I picked up a set of the RZR light bar brackets. These brackets say they'll fit from 30 to 32 inch light bars, so it should work great with this 32 inch Quadboss. This light bar has a 50,000 hour life expectancy. 50,000 hours. That's a long time to leave the lights on. But anyway, that's what we got in store today. So let's get this thing mounted. Now, if you're running a roof like I am, the first thing you're going to have to do is get the roof out of the way so you can get to these two Torx bolts. With the front of the roof loose, I can lift the roof up enough that I can get to these front screws. With the screws loose, you're going to find these two retaining clips on the inside. You want to go ahead and remove those at this time. Now my RZR is 2018 XP1000, and the hole in the visor is a little bit too small for the bolt included in the kit, so I'm going to go ahead and oversize that hole just a little. Then I'm going to go ahead and install the bolt, the bracket, with the locking nut on the backside. You don't want to tighten nothing up yet, just leave it loose so you can mount the light bar and you can move it back and forth. And once we get done, we'll go ahead and tighten everything up. Next, I want to install the bracket for the passenger side. Now with the light bar brackets from Seizmik installed, I'm going to take the Quadboss light bar, fit it between the brackets, and I'm going to take two of these bolts. Now these bolts were included in the kit, but they was a little bit long. I cut these down to about a 1/2 inch, so now that they will tighten up. Now these Seizmik brackets have two holes in them, so you can mount the light bar higher or lower, however you want to do it. Now myself, I'm using the top holes for right now. Now I went ahead and snugged the light bar up. That way I can go ahead and tighten up these upper bracket bolts. And then I can go ahead and put my roof back downwards. Bolt it down like it should be. With the light bar brackets tightened down, we can go ahead and reinstall our bolts in the roof.